Developing a Flipkart Marketplace API integration is crucial for software developers and app providers. It allows customers to automate various business activities using the provider's solution. Flipkart is a popular e-commerce platform in India, competing against Amazon India. Many SaaS providers aim to integrate with Flipkart to reach a larger audience of sellers and customers. One of India's most significant online vendors, Flipkart provides an array of application programming APIs known as Flipkart Marketplace API. The Flipkart Marketplace API lets developers manage products, orders, catalogs, returns, and refunds through the API. Flipkart integration connects software to the Flipkart Marketplace. It enables access and transfer of data between Flipkart and the software. This integration can help track orders, product info, etc. Strong integration can give access to Flipkart's pool of sellers. Integrating with Flipkart's API without a third-party tool is difficult and requires an experienced developer. The unified API of the API2Cart allows you to integrate your software with Flipkart and 40+ other popular e-commerce platforms and marketplaces. Contact us today to explore how to get Flipkart API integration easily via API2Cart.